Start.
Still have cicadas. I'm recording with the housing on, but it's not the waterproof housing. Let's see if you can see cicadas in there. They're still flying around. What's up? I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this. It's just an audio test. I'm not going to be out here for very long due to the cicadas. Cicadas, I've learned, they're just not much fun. Especially when you've got to cut the grass, and they love, they don't bite, but, they love to land on people. They make creepy noises, Creepy noises. So I'm recording at QHD 30 frames a second, which is, I guess, a little higher resolution than 2K. If we can capture there's a car going down the street. Another car going down the street. Comes a car up the street. The sky's blue. I believe I have the exposure. I'm recording it with one stop, not one full stop, but 0.03, I believe, yeah. And just checking out how this QHD is going to look. This is only a test.